Want to master the cold call to drive outbound sales? Cold calling can often be one of the scariest parts of the job for new and even seasoned salespeople. But once conquered, it can be a crucial step in your sales flow to drive customer growth. Cold calling is usually a more manual effort than emailing, chat, ads, or many other digital channels that we have at our disposal. This makes it particularly impactful, but also hard to scale. Use this to your advantage by layering on cold calls for the right prospects at the right time. Call prospects you know to have high intent or who've already engaged with you. For example, call people from companies you know are visiting your website or those you've already emailed and have opened your message but maybe not responded. Every rep will have their own strategy and bring their personality to the cold call, but here are a few pointers to keep in mind. The first 15 to 30 seconds of the call are crucial. Beyond sounding friendly and optimistic, do your research beforehand and be prepared to ask the right questions and have some context about the prospect. Try to get one piece of information early on to leverage into a further discussion. Ask open-ended questions you want to know the answer to and be prepared for negatives. Learn how to pivot those into a discussion about the problems the prospect is facing. This gives you a chance to find out more information and inform your pitch for your solution. For example, if they say they're all set and are using a competitor's product, try to find out more. Why did they choose that product? How are things going? Is there anything missing? Just like other forms of messaging, the CTA on a cold call is key. And the methods we discussed in an earlier video apply here too. Don't try to sell them everything on the first call. Focus on getting to the next step. Once you've secured a meeting, ask a few questions that will set up the next meeting for success. Cold calling can be scary, but the right data will arm you with relevant insights to improve your chances. A positive attitude, a genuine interest in helping the prospect, and a learning mindset will help you master this age-old skill.